Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial to overclock the i5 12400 with the Asus motherboard B660F. It's an all-core overclocking, and we go straight to the profile loading, and I load the profile from 8. It's the standard profile, so we can begin at the start, and we go directly to the easy mode, and you see here XMP is disabled. This is good, you can disable XMP. This is on, and here you can take, if you want, extreme tuning, but that's not so important. Okay, we can go to the advanced mode, and from the advanced mode directly to the tweaker. And before we do anything, we go down and make here the manual. We don't go down, we stay here. We can take here manual or XMP tweak. The other doesn't function, so take the manual one. Okay, and then we go straight here and write something like 32. Okay, and we go to the performance core ratio and sync all cores, and all core ratio limit we write 40. So after that we can now write that what you want here, maybe 120, 125. So 125, you look, is the speed 5000. Okay, you want 5000, so I stay here. And the target drum frequency, we can change this, and we can change the target cage frequency. Okay, the thing is, when you change the target cage frequency here, so it becomes more stable, and some boards can go all the way what you overclocking with extreme high clocks, and some doesn't. But you can go here 4000. This is okay. You can go maybe 5000. We can try make 35. Okay, and here, pardon, you can here go 35, 36, 36. Oh, this is here a little problem. Okay, my mouse is not good. I try to. Okay, now we see, we look 4500. This is good. You can go higher, you can try it out. So we take the drum frequency ratio. This is, you can take what you want. Normally they take the 100 to 133rd, and memory drum controller ratio 1 to 1, 1 to, this is like you want. But if you have really high clocks, drum clocks, you can take 1/4. Okay, now the drum frequency, we go to 6000 or near 6000 or a little bit over 6000. It's no problem. So 6000 is here, 6000. Okay, Then Alpha X related controls. You can leave it auto or take enabled. You can enable this. The thing is, anyway, if you disabled or enabled your CPU use A5X2, and it's better to enable it. I know that it's more warmth, or there's more heat, but it's always better to enable it because your CPU is running into the empty. This is not good for your processor. So always enabled FRX2. If maybe you have an old CPU with 512, so you can enable 512 too. Okay. So okay, we go to DRAM timing control. Okay. You look this. This is fine. You can take this. Normally maybe 40 here, 40, 44. But I try this out. This is no problem. So you have a really fast RAM, and you can take this one here. It works fine too. This is the DRAM refresh interval. No, this is really good. So, and then I'm not so good in RAM tweaking. Okay, we go ahead and go to the DGIP and VRM. Okay, CPU load line calibration. So you can take with 5 you needn't go so far. You can take level 5 or level 6. We can take level 6, why not? No. And you can, if you want, you can enable this current capability. You can give more switch frequency. You can 300 or 500 is no problem. You can go extreme, but because your electric on this board is really good, so you can go give more stability. But this is always CPU VRM terminal control enabled, always enabled. This is for your secure good. Okay, then internal CPU power management. So what is this all shit here? I don't like it really much. You can leave it. You can leave it. All the things you can leave it. This is okay. You don't need to touch this. Okay. And then you go to Tweaker's Paradise. So you can maybe here. You can take this one or this one. Ratio plus BCO. Okay, no problem. I see you give a little more ring voltage. Yes, you can do it if you want, but it's not really necessary. So okay, then you go ahead, and yes, for this reasons. I don't know. I don't know how much voltage I need for 5000. I always have extreme overclocking scenarios, but I think I can give him maybe 1.3 or so. 1.3, I think it's more than enough. That's really nothing. Global core S with ID, blah blah. I don't know what all this is. The system agent, yes, I don't know. But CPU incoming voltage, I can go. This is high, this is high. Advanced memory voltages, I can go in. and yeah, you can leave it, so this is no problem, you can leave it. Okay, then we go to the advanced mode, platform misconfiguration. So this is always can stay, there's no problem. CPU configuration. Okay, now we must look here really good. Okay, hardware prefetcher. Okay, activate performance cores, Intel virtualization technology. You can turn them off, but if you want in Windows 10 or Windows 11 make some tweaks. Maybe you want to tweak the parking cores, so that must be enabled. But normally you can disable too, but you can enable, and after that you can the parking core tweak. You can make a parking core tweak. The hardware is enabled. This can be enabled, active enabled. Hyper trading off. You don't need hyper trading for this. Okay. And then CPU management control. You go inside. Boot performance mode. Yes, you can do what you want here. That's no problem. Can leave auto, max battery. This is always is good when you have really hardcore settings, max non-turbo performance. So you give the board, the AI on the board, time to check it out and make his own settings. Leave them on auto. And this is what now is important. Intel Air Steep Step TM enabled. This is important. It's enabled. Intel Steep Step Shift technology. This can you disabled. This is not. This is when you use more frequencies. Turbo mode. You must be enabled turbo mode. Without this, you cannot reach the high clocks. That only then he gives you only 3 gigahertz or 3,9. You need to enable this. Okay, CPU save states. This shit you can all turn up. Thermal monitor is good, enabled, disabled the turbos. Okay, then go back and go back again. Okay, so this team agent SR configure. I don't think that you need something here, but you can make a little things. Okay, this just look inside. Enabled. Just a quick look inside. Disabled, enabled, blah, blah. If you have iGPU, also if you have an iGPU, you can enable here. This is really good because the Intel CPUs have quick sync for streaming reasons. Is the Ferrari, is a really good technique. Okay, memory configuration enabled. Okay, then you go back. Okay, and I don't know, this is all good. You need to touch, you needn't touch. Storage, what is this here? You needn't touch. Thermal configuration, yeah, you can, but you needn't touch. PC subsystems, resize board. Okay, about this is for resize board. Enabled, disabled. This is really good. USB configuration, single control, blah blah blah. All fine. Network stack, this is all good. Okay, what is this here? This is all good. Okay. And here when you go on the advanced onboard device configuration, enable, disable, and then GNR device is enabled. This helps your CPU. You can here go for mode, but it's not important. Okay. And then we go back and check out the monitor fan speed. Yes, you can your fan speed and so on and so on. Look what is here around. Okay. And then go to boot. TSM compatibility support mode disabled. This must be disabled to use resize bar. Okay. So the boot options. Sometimes the board kick you away with or kick away some HD disks or some another storage. They kick away. So when you are kicked out, so you must give the drivers first in the boot option. In the boot option, you must load the drivers first, so you have all the storage again. So the mainboard needs all drivers for the storage first. Okay. Okay, I think we are done. So we go to the tool again, and we can save to profile, load to profile. We can save to profile. Yes, we can hit the F10. That is okay. But I save to profile. Yes, load from profile. Yes, and then I hit F10, and then I hit OK. So that's all, because yes, that's a while. My PC take a while to start. I hope it helps you. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.